ఏపీ డీజీపీ గౌతమ్ సవాంగ్ మీడియాతో మాట్లాడుతున్నారు. ఇప్పుడు లైవ్ చూద్దాం.
Exposed to this uncertain virus or this uncertain danger, and that is the kind of situation we started with, and we are here. We lost 109 and many have got infected, while we made sure that the public is safe, secure, and there is order in the society. There are many challenges. We all know the situation during the COVID times, how things have unfolded. But at every step, police was on the forefront, on the front line, responding to the emergent situations, issues, as and when they arise. We have very tactfully responded to them, and then always worked with all other agencies to contain the situation, control the situation, and mitigate the situation. ఈ కోవిడ్ టైంలో ఆ కోవిడ్ రూల్స్ పాటించుకోవడం సంబంధించిన కూడా as many as 49,14,608 violations కూడా అయింది. అది ఎన్ఫోర్స్మెంట్ అన్నమాట. So many cases, so many instances. There were almost 88,000 FIRs also issued with regards to COVID cases, COVID violations, etc. అదే క్రమంలో we also had the additional burden on the police by way of the liquor policy, sand policy. So Danvalana, as many as 74,000 cases have been registered in the last 7 months. And as many as 98,000 violators were also arrested during the last 7 months. అంటే ఈ పని ఒత్తిడి ఏ విధంగా పోలీస్ మీద పడటం ఈ క్రమంలో ఈవెన్ దెన్ ద పోలీస్ హెస్ రీజన్ టు ద ఛాలెంజెస్, రీజన్ టు ద సిచ్యువేషన్, రీజన్ టు ద ఎక్స్పెక్టేషన్స్, అండ్ ఇట్ హెస్ డెలివర్డ్. Maintain order, stability in the society. And మన అందరికీ తెలుసు ఈ గత 1 yearలో ఇలాంటి ఛాలెంజెస్ ఎప్పుడు చూడలేని ఛాలెంజెస్ మనం ఫేస్ చేసినాము. ఇన్ ద ఫేస్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ దీస్ ఛాలెంజెస్ ఆల్సో police has made very remarkable achievements as regards police performance, police competencies, police professionalisms at all India level, national level lo kuda manam sadhinchi chupichinam. Meeru whether it is using technology to bring in innovation and change and transform the policing. You are all aware that how we have brought in change and transformation during last 1 year. We are very proud to say that we have received as many as 108 national awards with regards to using technology and bringing change and transformation, working towards furthering its professional competencies,